Hello, my name is Marianne Tolstrup and I'm coming from University College Lillebælt in Denmark. I'm now going to present to you a co-creation process model, and it's a process model that can be used to manage a co-creation process both with individuals and with groups. The idea is that you print the model, for instance in A3 size, and you place the model on a table where everybody can see it. You can place an object in the field that you're working on. It makes the process clear for everyone. You can write notes in the field that you're working with. It can either be process notes or the agreement you make. In this way, everyone has an overview over the process and a better opportunity to influence it. In our trails in Denmark with healthcare staff, we found that one of the factors hindering co-creation was that the professionals has difficulties not being directive and advisory. Therefore, the model is also a tool for professionals as it helps them to take on the role as facilitators when using the model. The model is not linear. You can jump between the fields and as agreed upon. However, you must start in the agreement field, as it is where all participants contribute their wishes on what they want to co-create, which is a very important issue in co-creation. The middle field, understanding and evaluation, is also an important field when aiming for co-creation. You visit the field every time you finish a field. Here you discuss what you agreed upon, how the process has been, and which field should be worked on next. Finally, you visit the conclusion field where the process is evaluated and new agreements are made. The parking field is an important facilitation tool because it allows you to write down anything that is new, exciting, difficult, or anything else, but that doesn't quite belong in the current process. And finally, you're visiting the parking area and discuss what should be done with the various elements there. You can use many different methods when working with the individual fields. Methods that can support co-creation. It could be Lego, dices, images, or whatever. When we're talking about co-creation, we talk about 4 levels. We're talking about co-define. What is it we're going to work with? Co-design. How should we do it? Co-production, which is the production field, and finally the co-refine, that is an evaluation tool. When you are working with the agreement field, the collection of experiences, the intention target, and the framework, conditions, resources, and limitations, you're working with co-defining. When you're working with collection of experiences, intention targets, framework, condition, resources, and limitations, you're working with the design process. When you're working with an action plan, you're working with the co-production. And finally, when you're working on the evaluation and is the intention target realistic, you're working with the co-refine. I hope that you will take this model as your own, incorporate various tools inspired by this project, and gain experience with the model. I'm wishing you a successful co-creation.